Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this halo eye makeup look. I decided to do like a halo duochrome eye makeup look. This is something I have done before, but I have never filmed it, so I just thought I'll just do this eye makeup look and then film it to you guys. So the eyeshadows that I used today are the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. These are live. This is so pigmented and so affordable. You can switch up the lipstick to a nude because the eye is really dramatic and is really doing the most, so it's completely up to you. You can even wear this look with a darker lipstick. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, then keep on watching. Alright, now so my base is all done. I did my foundation, routine, highlight and contour, which I will link down below if it's up yet, but if it's not, it's gonna be after this video. Then I don't know which video is going up first. I would link it down below and in the card section if it's up already. So the very first color I'm gonna be taking now is this caramel color from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna be using that as my transition color. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna pick up Cocoa Bear, and I'm just gonna apply this as my transition color. Now I'm taking my E25 by Sigma. I'm gonna pick up this color right here, this very dark color. That's Aphrodite by Makeup Geek. I'm just gonna apply this in my inner corner and my outer corner. So I'm not gonna go back in with the E40 and just blend the harsh lines. So now that we have that, I'm just gonna go in with this Americano by Makeup Geek. I'm just gonna do the same as I did with the previous color. I'm just gonna go back in with Cocoa Bear and just blend the harsh lines. I'm gonna go back again with the Americano and just apply the color again. So we're just going back and forth. So we're basically going back and forth, applying the colors, blending, applying the colors, blending. You just want to do that until you're satisfied with the look you have. Okay. For the middle part of my eyelids, I'm gonna take Havoc. This is Havoc by Makeup Geek. I'm just gonna apply this in the middle. So once I've applied that color, I'm just gonna take my blending brush again. This is the blending brush by Sigma. This is the E25. I'm gonna apply these lashes. These are what the style look like. These are the eyelash lashes in the style 141. I'm just gonna apply these ones and I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on, I'm just gonna apply some colors underneath my lower lash line, and I'm gonna use the E25 by Sigma. I'm gonna take the caramel color that we used earlier on as our transition color, this color right here, and Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek, and it's just gonna apply the color on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna apply some mascara underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna use the Remo Wake Me Up mascara. So I'm just gonna line my lips now with a brown lip liner. So I just lined my lips now, and I've got two lipsticks. So I've got the Gerard Cosmetics Ice Mocha and Ecstasy. Which one should I use? I'd probably use Ice Mocha. I'm just gonna use Iris Mocha as my lipstick. Okay, and so that completes the look. I hope you like this. You don't really have to go with the sleeves, but I decided to go with this lip. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.